Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to earn free 35 Tron for every new user. So before getting started, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first person to get the notification. So in here I will introduce you one of the another Tron cloud mining website which you can earn from a single sign up 35 free Tron. So in here for this cloud mining website, I will open the browser. Now on the search bar you can see here is the buygpumining.com. Simply enter that, or I will provide you the link of this website in the below down description. So this is the GPU farming or GPU mining. Here as you can see that total deposit and total withdraw. So in here you can check out the information about buygpumining.com website. And here you can see how do we evaluate the investments made. So you can read the information about this, or do I have to invest in order to withdraw money. Here you can see the system gives a gift of 35 Tron to each of our new members. You can buy packs with it. And here as you can see, can I invite my friends? Yes, we have a reference system. Moreover, you can earn from your reference. Visit the reference tab in the mining panel menu. Which coin is mined? We offer mining service for Ethereum. And here is what is the minimum and maximum investment amount. Here as you can see, you can invest a minimum of 1 Tron. There is no maximum limit. Can I buy more than one graphic card? Yes, there is no limit to purchase graphic cards. You can take as much you want. So you can check out the details about this GPU mining, which you can earn free 35 Tron from the single sign up. So in here I will click on the sign up option. In here you will be asked to register yourself. Enter your name. I will type into learning and the email address. In here you can see country. Select your country. So I will select Australia, and there is no reference. I will provide my link in the below down description. Simply click on the link and register to this website. So I'll click on I agree to the terms and conditions and click on register option. Now you can see success. So log into your account. Here you have to type your account, your email address, type your password. Now click on the login option. In here you can see that purchase balance is, you can see 35 TRX Tron, and the withdrawal balance is 0, reference is 0, earning from reference is 0, your graphic cards is 0 and 0 mh, your hash rate is also 0. Here as you can see system is statistics, total deposit, total withdraw. Here is the total deposit of TRX, the total withdraw of USD dollar from the this website. Network statistics, hourly unit rewards, reward network hash, and you can simply deposit on this website. Here is the deposit option. Here you can see we accept payments with Tron due to low commission rates and fast confirm time. Simply you can send the Tron to this. Here on clicking on the deposit, you can simply deposit to this website in order to buy GPU mining. Here is the references. You can share your link with your friends in order to earn reward from here. And how to buy graphic cards. Click on the buy graphic cards. You can buy 35T with your 35 TRX, the first pack. Here is the starter pack is 1 mAh 10 watt daily 0.035 USD profit. You will get 10 watt 36 365 days active. You can cancel at any time. Daily profit is this much. There are lots of contracts or packages that you can buy in this website. However, if you want to withdraw your balance from this website to your wallet, simply click on the withdraw option. Here, as you can see, select the currency in which you want to receive the payment. You can make this payment into 3 different currency like Tron, Ethereum, Tether, USDT. Here you can see that enter your TRC or TRX network wallet. The network fee is 0. The minimum withdrawal is 52 TRX. You have to earn 52 TRX in order to make withdrawal from here to your wallet. And let's check the Ethereum. You can see enter your ERC or Ethereum network wallet. Network fee is 0.005 Ethereum, and you can see that minimum withdrawal is this much, and the USDT is enter your TRC. Network fee is 1 USDT, minimum withdrawal is 3 USDT. And here in the next video I will show you how to withdraw this. In here, click on the wallet address, type your wallet address, and enter the amount of the withdrawal that you want to make. And now in here I will purchase the 35 TRX that I received by signing on this website. So I will click on the buy graphic cards. Here, as you can see, that purchase balance is now in my account I have available 35 TRX. So I will click on the buy option. Here you can see you have successfully purchased. You can buy more graphic cards. So now I will go to the home page. Now you can see that it starts mining, and you can see the withdrawal balance and your graphic cards. That currently I purchased one graphic card with amount of 35 TRX, and there is 1 mH. Your hash rate is showing here that when I sign up for the website, you saw that the hash rate was 0, everything was 0. Now it start mining TRX. So guys, this is the way that you can, here as you can see your graphic cards, it's working. And there are some information about recent deposit, recent withdrawals. You can check out this website. So in the next video I will show you the live withdrawal from this website to your wallet. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, don't forget to like the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section. At last, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.